In this video, I'll show you how you can list your GoDaddy domain for sale on the auction. So here's what you need to do. So first go to GoDaddy.com, and what you want to do is log into your account. So it'll be in the top right hand corner, you'll be able to log in. So I'm already logged in, so I'm going to go to my username, and then I'm going to go to my products, and that will then redirect me into my GoDaddy account. Once I'm here, I can then scroll down and choose the domain that I want to sell. I may have a lot of domains, so just choose the one that you want to sell and then go to manage all. And it doesn't really matter how you get to this page, but you just need to get to your domain portfolio. Now, once you're here, you want to click on your domain again, and that will take you into this window here. Now, here you've got an option to sell, so go ahead and list this for sale. Now, it will tell you your estimated value, but I think this is way off. I don't think no one's going to pay this for knowledgebasehub.com. But anyway, we can list this for sale and we can choose how much we want to list it for sale. So it's going to tell you here thousands of domains are sold every day. You just want to click on get started. Then you can enter your buy now price. Now, if you want a buy now price, this is going to result in a quick sale. So let's say someone could buy it for $600. Now, the estimated value is 1.2k, but I don't think anyone will buy it for that. Now, you can also choose to have a for sale page on your domain. So when someone goes to knowledgebasehub.com, they'll see this for sale page. This is good if you have like a popular domain. So anyway, I'm going to publish this listing, and it's then going to redirect me to a different website. So you can see here it is listed for sale. And now if we go ahead and close this and click on edit the listing, it's going to take me here to another website which is owned by GoDaddy. So here is this website. It's called attaining.com. So now if you scroll down, you can see that your domain is listed. You can see you've got a buy now price, you've got a minimum offer price, and people, what they can do is they can obviously go and bid for your domain. So just to make sure that this is actually for sale, if we go ahead and copy the domain and then we go to GoDaddy, we can type in the domain. All being well, it should now be for sale. So you can see that it's a premium domain and it's listed for £600.